Here are the 10 best passive income ideas that will make you rich. Number 1. Invest in real estate. Investing in real estate and renting it out to tenants can be a great way to generate passive income. It's important to first become debt-free and have some savings before considering this option. Prioritize paying off your personal home before considering purchasing a rental property. It is advisable to buy an investment property using cash. It is not advisable to incur debt in order to purchase rental property. A rental property can provide a valuable additional stream of income, although it is not considered passive income in a strict sense. If you want your investment to be profitable, it's important to market it effectively and consistently maintain and update its appearance. Deciding how to rent out and manage your property requires careful consideration and effort. Alternatively, you could hire a property manager from any management company, although this would result in a reduction of your income. We recommend purchasing a property in a location that is easily accessible for you to oversee it firsthand. Discover an agent for real estate who possesses extensive knowledge of your local area and understands what will appeal to potential renters. Number 2. Start a blog or YouTube channel. If you have an excellent concept that appeals to a specific audience, you could consider creating an educational blog or a YouTube teaching series that doesn't rely on constantly generating new material to attract online traffic. If your content is captivating and attracts a substantial amount of daily traffic, you have the potential to monetize your blog by selling ad space or ad spots on your channel. Once you've done the hard work, you can kick back, unwind, and reap the benefits of passive income from every viewer of your content. It's important to note that certain types of passive income require more effort and work than others. In today's digital landscape, staying ahead of the competition is crucial. While it's not necessary to invest a fortune in state-of-the-art technology and advertising, regularly updating your content is essential to continue attracting the attention of the audience. If you want to know more earning ideas, then subscribe to our channel and also press the like button. Number 3. Provide storage services for individuals. People have a multitude of belongings and are constantly seeking affordable storage solutions. Having extra space in your basement or garage can be a convenient way to earn some extra income by offering storage services to others. Ensuring the safety and security of their items is essential. Explore websites such as Neighbor, iStoryIt, or Store at My House to begin your journey. These services can help maximize the potential of your either indoors or outdoor space. The cumulative effect can be significant in the long run. If you have a barn, garage, or even just carport space for storing vehicles, boats, campers, and other high-dollar toys, individuals are willing to pay a premium to ensure their safety and protection from the elements. Set it and let it do the work for you. Passive income is the way to go. Number 4. Consider utilizing affiliate marketing. Have you ever purchased something truly amazing and enthusiastically shared your excitement with your friends, family, coworkers, and even the store cashier? You consider yourself, I should be compensated for all this promotion. Indeed, it is a reality, and it's known as affiliate marketing. Simply put, affiliate marketing is when a company compensates you for promoting their products. If you're active on social media, chances are you've come across numerous individuals who promote products by sharing a unique link or discount code alongside a photo of themselves using the said product. Websites such as Rakuten Linkshare can assist you in discovering and establishing connections with affiliate marketing programs. There are numerous companies, including Amazon, eBay, and Target, that provide affiliate marketing programs. Although having a large following as an influencer can boost your earnings as an affiliate marketer, it is not a requirement. Number 5. Rent out your vehicles. Do you have an additional car or truck taking up space in your garage? If you're looking to make some extra income, consider listing your car on Turo. This platform allows individuals to rent out their vehicles to both locals and tourists in need of transportation for a few days. And what about that boat that's been occupying your backyard? Consider exploring BoatSetter as a way to generate additional income by renting out your pontoon boat during weekends when you won't be using it. Renting out your vehicle to complete outsiders can come with additional insurance coverages and maintenance costs. Number 6. Create personalized products. Do you have any artwork that would be great for a t-shirt? Or perhaps a clever slogan you'd like to put on a coffee mug? Consider uploading your original designs to print-on-demand websites such as Redbubble, Spring, formerly known as Teespring, and Zazzle. Many of these services offer free membership and provide a convenient platform to display your unique designs. It is important to continue promoting and advertising your designs. However, every time someone places an order for a shirt, sticker, or bucket hat, you will earn money. And the best part is, they will take care of all the logistics, including production, storage, and shipping of your products, so you can focus on other aspects of your business. It's as straightforward as can be. Number 7. Create an ebook or digital guide. If you've discovered the art of generating high-traffic content, consider exploring ways to transform that content into a marketable product. It could range from a basic ebook as well as meal prep guide to a comprehensive online course or an app. There are numerous self-publishing options available, and some of them, such as Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, can be accessed without any cost. If you possess marketing skills and have supportive friends who can help spread the word, and of course, if your books are genuinely engaging, then I encourage you to pursue your passion. There is a possibility of receiving royalties for an extended period of time. Passive income is such a great thing to have. Number 8. Consider developing an online course. By utilizing learning platforms such as Udemy, individuals have the opportunity to leverage their expertise and create their own courses. Once it's published, there is no need for you to worry about any additional maintenance. You will start earning money whenever people enroll in your class. It's a passive way to earn additional income while assisting others. Number 9. Consider selling stock photos or music. You might consider exploring opportunities that allow you to leverage your creative talents. For example, if you have a talent for photography, consider selling your stock photos on platforms such as Fope or creating downloadable preset photo editing filters. If you have an interest in music production, consider licensing your tunes and offering them for sale to YouTubers and podcasters who are in need of content. Number 10. Renting out your house. If you have remaining debt or are unable to afford a full rental property, you may want to consider the option of renting out a spare room. If you're open to sharing your living space with a roommate or hosting occasional Airbnb guests, it can be a smart way to boost your budget, even if it means giving up a bit of privacy. However, there are a few potential issues that may arise when choosing the Airbnb option. First, managing them can be quite a hassle. Managing the turnover process and maintaining cleanliness between check-ins can be quite demanding, especially when you have multiple guests renting the room every month. In addition, it is important to anticipate additional expenses for maintenance, such as replacing damaged carpets and repairing dents in the walls, which can be caused by difficult tenants. It may be necessary to consider additional layers of coverage for your current homeowner's insurance policy or explore alternative types of coverage, which can be quite expensive. Now, watch the video appearing on the right side to know how you could get rich before your 50s. Also, subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more amazing financial news and secrets that could make you a millionaire.